It's so important that we shift ourselves, right? That we put it in drive and drive ourselves places. We can go anywhere we put our minds to as long as we don't keep them in comfort zones. A lot of people are afraid to risk it for the biscuit. They're afraid to make mistakes. They're afraid to look foolish. They're afraid other people won't like them. Good. Good, because they don't already like you. They already think you're foolish. And it's time that you get some strength. Strength to fight for what you want. Strength to fight for what you wish for. Every one of us has a strength. And we got to find it inside of ourselves. And usually it's under that comfort rock. It's usually under all the things that made us feel comfortable. Our coping mechanisms, our friends, the people that we hang around with. I told everybody I switched up my top 5.